Princess Ava. Whenever I read a math story question, I get completely lost in the story. Can you teach me how to turn the story into simple math?
Great idea! With a little math magic, messy stories become super clear. Let's go to the classroom. So let's let Rosie start the story.
Hey everyone, so here's what happened today. What is the cost of each cake?
What? This is way too complex.
Don't panic! It's always easy to start by drawing a simple storyline. First checkpoint, Rosie bought 6 delicious cakes. Second checkpoint, each cake has the same price. We don't know the price yet, so let's call it X. So altogether, Rosie spent 6X coins for the 6 cakes.
Oh, now I understand. Now we put 6x on the left and add the equal sign. So what are we missing on the right side?
Let's go back to the story. Rose gave 20 coins to the shopkeeper, so he started with 20 coins. And then the shopkeeper returned 2 coins to me as change. So we just need to minus 2 coins from the 20. So our final equation is 6x equals 18. Just like we learned last week, to find x, we divide both sides of the equation by 6. If the left side is divided by 6, the right side must also be divided by 6 to stay balanced. And finally, we get x equals 3. So each cake costs 3 coins. So children, don't be scared of math equations. Just follow the steps, and any story can be turned into an equation easily. Next week, we'll look at more complex stories. See you next week.